The Academic Support Center at St. Lawrence College. Booking an appointment with a tutor. Before you can book an appointment with the Academic Support Center, you'll need to register for an account. If you haven't done so, take a look at our How to Register for an Account video to learn about this process. With your account registered, return to the Academic Support Center booking site at www.mywco.com/slc and log in using your new account credentials in the form on the left-hand side of the page. Once you've logged in, you'll be redirected to the booking schedule page. At the top of the page, you'll see the weekly date range that is currently selected. By default, the schedule will display the current date and the following 4 business days. Navigate to the desired date of your appointment and ensure it's selected. Below this, you'll find any relevant seasonal information from the Academic Support Center, including information on which tutors are currently available for booking sessions. Scroll down and you'll see the tutor booking schedule. The top row of each date's schedule shows the available booking times, and the first column shows all the available tutoring subjects for the day. Follow the row which corresponds to your desired tutoring subject area, and select an available booking time. Available booking times are indicated by a blank white box. You can select any available time by the half hour, for example 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m., and so on. A solid dark blue box will appear where no appointments are available. A lighter blue box will show a time already booked by another user, and an orange box indicates an upcoming booking of your own. A light gray box indicates a time that has already passed. After selecting your desired time, a pop-up will appear, so make sure that your web browser is not blocking pop-ups for this site. The pop-up will confirm the appointment date and time, which can be modified if needed. Next, you will see information on the type of session you're booking. Please read this information carefully to ensure you are aware of what the tutor session will look like. Scroll down and fill in all the required information marked with an asterisk. By answering these questions completely, tutors will be better prepared to help you. Make sure you select the correct booking option, i.e., written feedback, online 50-minute feedback via Microsoft Teams, or in-person session. Staff recommend students book an in-person session or live via Teams session if booking for the first time to maximize the help received. After this, you can attach up to 3 files from your computer containing the work you'd like help with. After you've uploaded everything needed, click the blue Create Appointment button. At this point, you'll receive an automatically generated message to your student email account containing the booking information. Your tutoring session is now booked. If you need to make changes, you can select the appointment and click the blue Edit Appointment button. If you wish to cancel the appointment, click the red Cancel Appointment button. Attending your appointment session. If you selected the written feedback option, there's nothing further for you to do. The tutor will review your uploaded documents and will reply with feedback within an hour of the time you selected. If there are any technical difficulties preventing the tutor from providing feedback, they'll contact you with an updated, expected completion time. If you selected the online feedback via Microsoft Teams option, keep an eye on your student email as you'll receive an invite to a Teams meeting in advance of your appointment. Ensure that you accept this meeting and that it is successfully added to your calendar within Teams. With your meeting booked into your calendar, you can enter the meeting by going to the calendar event and clicking Join once the appointment time arrives. If you selected the in-person tutoring option, visit the Academic Support Center located in the St. Lawrence College Library at the time of your booking, and your designated tutor will be ready to work with you. Based on availability, there is the opportunity for walk-in appointments at the Academic Support Center with no previous booked appointment. Please note, after September 2021, the math, science, and accounting sessions will be offered as a drop-in service only, reserving virtual appointments for students unable to access campus. For English grammar or writing help, you'll be required to book an appointment.